I don't know when them. Hello, everyone. Thank you. You're welcome to today's session, and I'll be teaching names of animals as Igbo names of animals. I promise you this video is going to be very short, and you're going to get so much out of this video. To our new subscribers, you're always welcome. Always feel free to ask questions in the comment section, and I'll be very happy to answer to the best of my ability. So we're going to learn Igbo names of animals today. So we'll get right in to the video. So we'll start with, first one is snake. Snake, wogene, agwo. Snake, agwo. Dog, nkịta. Goat, ewu. Sheep, atụrụ. Ram, ebule or ebele. Scorpion, akpị. Lion, ọdụm. Tiger, agụ. Bird, nnụnụ. Eagle, ugo. Vulture, udele. Cock, okeokpa. Hen, nnekwu. Ọkụkọ is chicken. Snail, eju or ejule. Tortoise, mbe. Ant, agbịsị. Bird bug, chinchi. Tick, akọrọ. Crocodile, agụ. Monkey, enwe. Chimpanzee, ọzọdịmgba.